Hey guys, I am Sonika. In today's video, I am going to compare my Nikon Coolpix B500 to another popular bridge camera, the Canon PowerShot SX430 IS. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I am Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography vlogs every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please consider subscribing. And today I'm going to compare my Nikon Coolpix B500 with the Canon PowerShot SX430 IS, and we're going to find out which camera works best. So we will score these two cameras based on various specs like shooting speed, ISO range, video resolution, etc. and try to find out which camera works best where, and the one with the highest score will obviously win. So let this game begin. Both cameras have the same sensor size. 1 by 2.3 inch size DSI CMOS sensor, but the B500 has 16 megapixel resolution and the 430 IS has 20 megapixels. So the Canon camera gets a point. In India, the B500 may cost you around 17,130 rupees. But PowerShot SX430 may cost you around 11,999 rupees. So since it is cheaper, you'll again get a point. Nikon B500 has 40x optical zoom and SX430 has 45x optical zoom. Maximum ISO of the B500 is 3200. And the same of SX430 is 1600. So the B500 finally gets a point. But according to me guys, in a point and shoot camera, if you start raising your ISO above 400 or 800, you start getting a lot of grain in your images. So I don't know if these high ISOs of 1600 or 3200 are going to help. But anyway, B500 gets a point. The B500 can click 7 full resolution images at a speed of 7.4 fps. The shooting speed of the SX430 is 2.2 fps. The B500 can film videos at 1920 by 1080 at 60 and 30 fps, but the SX430 can shoot videos in 1280 by 720 at 30 fps only. So the B500 again gets a point. We are even. The SX430 weighs lighter than the B500. It weighs around 323 grams as opposed to 541 grams of the B500. It's also smaller in size and quite compact. So again it will get a point. The B500 has a tilting screen. The screen cannot swivel to the side, but it can tilt in such a way. So it's good for high angle, low angle shots. But the screen of the SX430 is fixed. It does not move at all. So the B500 gets a point. And we are once again even. The LCD screen resolution of the B500 is 921K dots, and the same of the SX430 is 230K dots. So the B500 gives me higher screen resolution and more clarity. With a single charge, the P500 can shoot 600 shots, and with a single charge, the SX430 can give me around 195 shots. So the B500 can give me 4 not 5 more shots with a single charge. But still we'll give it 1 point today. The SX430 has inbuilt GPS, meaning you can add GPS location information to your photos. This feature is lacking in the B500. The B500's minimum aperture at its widest focal length of 23 mm is f3, and the SX430's minimum aperture at its widest focal length of 24 mm is f3.5. So at f3, the B500 is faster at its widest end, and it's also giving you 1 mm wider coverage. The B500's minimum aperture at its longest focal length of 900 mm is f6.5. And the SX430's minimum aperture at its longest focal length of 1080 mm is f6.8. So, the SX430 gives me 180 mm longer telephoto reach, and at f6.5, the B500 gives me faster aperture at the longest focal length. So we'll give 1 point to both. Now I'm going to talk about some common features of these two cameras. And they are quite basic, so we won't score them, but I think you need to know them in case you want to buy any of these cameras. Both cameras have somewhat similar inbuilt flash, image stabilization, face detection focus, manual exposure, wireless connectivity, and white balance modes. Both cameras don't have a viewfinder. You have to keep staring at the screen while clicking. They don't support RAW, meaning you can only click your images in JPEG. Plus, no manual mode, no touchscreen capabilities, no shoe for external flash, no microphone or headphone jacking. So as per our score, the B500 is a clear winner. That's because it gives me 1080p video resolution, better battery life, better screen resolution, better shooting speed, a tilting screen, and faster aperture. But the Canon camera is also not very far behind. It's also a great camera because it gives me better optical zoom, more effective megapixels, telephoto reach, GPS, and all this at a lower price and lower weight. So guys, if optical zoom and price is your priority, then you may go for the SX430. But if video resolution and battery life are your priorities, then you may go for the B500, according to me. So guys, this was a comparison between my Nikon Coolpix B500 and Canon PowerShot SX430 IS, and I hope my video cleared a few of your doubts regarding these two cameras and will help you in your purchase decision. If it did, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any video suggestions for me. If you want me to compare two cameras that you are confused about, please leave your suggestions down below guys. I'll try to make as many videos as possible. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous camera comparison. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.